Hi guys. I'm kind of sick, so I look kind of ugly, but I kind of just want to sing this song to my dogs because I love them. Come here, boys. Come here. Come here. Don't worry, I brushed their teeth.
It's not a lie, I didn't mean what I said when I said I'll put my money where my mouth is. I put my money where my mouth was until I couldn't breathe through my nose. And now I'm staring at the floor where my second life just ended, and I lost not one but two friends. Come here. Yeah, I had it all, was sitting on top of the world, but I threw it away, and just to prove it I could. I put my money where my mouth is. See, I recall quite perfectly who I was both before and after the drugs. Before and after the drugs. I put my money where my mouth is. I put my money where my mouth was. I got a strong will, just weak hands. Don't know what to do, but I don't want to. Yeah, I had it all, was sitting on top of the world, but I threw it away, just to prove that I could, to prove that I could. Put my money where my mouth is. Put my money where my mouth is. I put my money where my mouth is. Knight in shining armor, you're a mother and a father you had ever seen. Alright, I can't do this anymore. This is ridiculous. I'm sorry. This is a pointless video.